Here's a Buick to check out at Unique, especially in classics. The ever popular 1964 Buick Riviera Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop. Numbers matching 425 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the front grille, chrome, of course the Riviera hood ornament. Original paint code RR, so desert beige with a fawn interior, trim 603. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, check out the numbers matching engine and engine compartment, undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. So we look up and down the passenger side. This was originally a Texas vehicle, and you can see how straight this thing is. Interior has had some upholstery work. It appears in the front seats. There's that fawn interior. Of course, vinyl rear seats appear to be original. And then I'm sure that they had some wearing on the center sections, so they did some reupholstery up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation if you need any help with that. Let's check out the rear chrome. Paint on this one shows well. I haven't noticed any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I mean, it's driven. You might find an imperfection here or there, maybe a little bit of a touch-up on a rock chip, but overall, you see what I see. There's nothing major that I've noticed. Again, about the nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, Buick wheel covers, Riviera specific. Take your time looking through those still pictures. Over 100 pictures of this car online, UniqueClassicCars.com. So we take a look up and down the driver's side. Again, you can see the paint shows well. Free of any real major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did want to mention this rear window, the driver's side, not able to get it up and down. They are power windows. Every other power window functioned as it should. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Speaking of power windows switches there. And as you can see, door panel. And again, this appears to be the original vinyl that this would have been produced with. I'm sure they just changed that inlay in the center part over to cloth. And here you can see what would have been delivered stock. But looks fine, and would serve the purpose if you're driving this to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Headliner also good shape. Have had the radio working. It's an Alpine aftermarket radio. I did have the wipers working, blower motor working. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Odometer reads 77,000, by the way. You know, once a vehicle's a certain age, the miles don't stay in the title anymore. It'll be marked exempt, so I can't confirm or deny that that is original miles. I can tell you it's original Texas car from some receipts and miscellaneous receipts that we have, and some paperwork between ownership, so that will also be included with the car. Fires right up. Top of the dash. You see a little crack there. Looks like this was originally built expressly for Wayne and Camille Lizette. Aftermarket stereo is working. Always very stock looking dash with the exception of the Alpine stereo. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Let's slip up to the front. I'll pop this hood open. Let's check out this engine bay. And we'll wrap this video up. The underside of that hood, nice and clean. All right, here it is. The numbers matching, 425. Yes, you're gonna see 465 Wildcat on there. Remember, that's the torque rating, 465 pound-feet of torque. So 425 cubic inches. Don't let that trick you on the Buick engines. Power steering, power brakes. And again, numbers matching. You can see that in the still pictures, the stamping of the VIN on the engine, and also the casting number on it. So check that out in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. It's a 1964 Buick Riviera Sport Coupe or two-door hardtop. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation if you need help with that. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1964 Buick Riviera. Kind of a cream white on the exterior, and browns and golds on the inside. Fuel gauge is reading 3/4. We have a radio.
Hey Jay, when you gonna stop playing?
There's a cassette player in that Alpine vintage radio there. Hasn't been tested by me. Let's see how she does on the road. Acceleration is very good. This is an automatic on the center console, easy to drive. Smooth ride. Not getting any tire shake or bounce. Wipers are working well. Once we get straightened out here, we'll see how straight it goes. If I let off the wheel, it stays nice and straight. Very good running car. Lots of power, lots of torque in this engine. Let's go around this corner. Accelerate one more time. Corners as you would expect. Yeah, it doesn't even need to kick down with all that torque. Check out this 64 Buick Riviera at UniqueClassicCars.com.